So yeah, this is Linkito. It's puzzly, it's logic-y. Let's check the options. English. Okay, the master volume starts at 50, which I appreciate, but the music starts at 69. Let's bring that up as well. I'm actually going to swap these. Okay, graphics is maximized. I'm going to put it to my actual resolution. It doesn't really matter, but that's okay. And no modules. Okay, validate. I like that when you come over. Eh. All right, let me have some coffee because this is how the morning's going to go. That coffee is hot. That is some hot coffee. Okay, so we're going to hop on in. I forgot to do not disturb my phone. Ah, there you are. You look a little lost, but believe me, the worst is over. It's perfectly normal to experience some slight memory loss. You've just been through your assignment ceremony, the most important event in the life of every employee citizen. Employee citizen? What? Okay, Mr. Morgan. You're the winner of Albatross Tech's annual lottery. Our great president, William Kane, has made it possible for you to join our ranks. Show yourself worthy of this privilege. But forgive me, I haven't introduced myself. I'm Mr. Morgan, your supervisor. I'll be taking your placement tests today. That way we'll know which branch you'll be most effective in. We're in the Albatross Tech Assessment Center, in the heart of Albatown, the last haven of peace on this planet. We will proceed with your evaluation here. Would you like me to refresh your memory first? Yes, since apparently I'm experiencing memory loss. What's going on here? Why is this? Okay, you know what? All right. I thought so. Your memory will gradually return, but I'll remind you of a few details to help you a little. You are on the only continent not wiped off the map after the Great War of 1890. Yes, we are the descendants of the last survivors, and thanks to Albatross Tech, we have been able to rebuild and reclaim this ruined continent. You come from the Forgotten Lands, the lands that Albatross Tech left to the poor ignoramuses, wow, who didn't agree to join the ranks of employee citizens. In the view of the disastrous living conditions and the thousands of requests from the Forgotten Ones to join our ranks, William Kane, our beloved president, has created a big annual lottery. Every year, we allow a Forgotten One to join our paradise. You've made the right choice in taking part. Misery is behind you now. Okay. That's great. Right. Let's start with a quick tour of the company before moving on to the assignment tests. If you're up to it, you'll probably start in this maintenance workshop. The further you progress, the more interesting assignments you'll be given. Right after designing your own systems for the greatness of Albatross Tech, you'll learn to create your own solutions and your own machines for the well-being of all. Some of our activities are a little more sensitive, as we sometimes fall victim to a group of anarchist terrorists, the Hummingbirds. They would like to see the order of our beautiful Albatown wiped out. I hope, at least, that you will be more loyal than your predecessor. Hey, Mighty Mur, good morning. Oh, over here I can see people talking about us. Have you seen the new guy? Looks a little lost. Allowing Forgotten Ones is so generous. They're talking about us over here. Okay, that's clever. But enough chit-chat. It's time for the assignment tests. Now it's up to you to impress me, and it won't be easy. I'm curious to see how a Forgotten One does. It's an... Oh, hold on. Okay. Your role at Albatross Tech will depend on how well you do in today's tests. If you do well, hey Puddleglum, do take care, enjoy the work lurk, and have a wonderful day. If you do well, you may be able to join my department, but don't kid yourself, I only take the best. I'm going to quickly look at options, because I am curious what other languages. French. Okay, that explains some of it. Some of the agreements that I'm seeing. Okay. I'll show you how our equipment works, starting with the basics. I assume you know how to create a connection. Is this where I look deeply into your eyes and do the shoulder touch, or... Okay, so drag her. Drag here to here. Here, you have to create a connection and press a button. I'm counting on you to get it right the first time. If it were up to me, we wouldn't give you such easy tests. I like the post-it. I'll come back in 73 days. Okay, so... Hey. Of course, there's only one connection per socket, so you'll have to disconnect some to create new ones. Click on the end of a connection to remove it. You'll see it's child's play. I appreciate the post-it notes, and I have used this font before in Canva many times. So this one's broken, so we've got to disconnect it. Oh, okay, you drag. I would love it if there were an option to click. Oh, it turns into a little soldering iron. Okay, that's cute. I don't have to go straight, which makes me very happy. We've put in red connections to make sure nobody removes them. We don't want newcomers messing up our systems. Oh, okay. It won't even let me. Okay, got it. So red wires are unmovable. I am literally the worst person to ever do this. I'm wasting all your wire. Sometimes you have to duplicate the signal. It's like a power strip. But maybe you, the forgotten ones, don't have one of those at home? Damn, my dude! What? Damn! Okay, so... But does that just mean do I need to have these both running? Oh, you don't care about the other one. Got it. Okay. A block that lets a signal pass through or not. It's controlled by the input at the top. To pass or not to pass the current. So... Oh, interesting. Okay, so if I connect this to this, and then turn this on... Got it. Okay, with these blocks you should begin to understand the logic. Okay, so that just stays on. However, what I need to do is this, and then this, and then this. No? Oh, and then this. Okay. There are also generators that you can switch on and off as required. I'll leave you to experiment. Wait a second, I thought this was a test, and now you're just leaving me to experiment? What is this, my sexuality in college? You can turn it on or off. Okay, so yellow to blue. And I only get one connection. Oh, but I also have... No. Oh, those are self-powering generators. Got it. Okay, now I think I understand. Okay, job completed. Continue. By choosing the collective, the enterprise puts the best interests of humanity above individualistic impulses. Okay, so we're past... Oh, now this is the actual test. Okay. Time to prove yourself. We're going to start the assignment test. Get ready. Okay, so the assignment is to fill the gauge, but what is this? Excuse me? No, you don't need me for this test. We don't call for help at the first sign of trouble. And anyway, this isn't the time. My coffee's waiting. Okay, so this is the ask for help button. Got it. Something's in here, though. Maybe that's a hint? Okay. Okay, this has been building up power, so I can use that. If I turn this on... But I need to keep powering this, so let's do this. That keeps that going. If I flip this switch, then that generator will continue to fill the gauge. Okay. There is a timer, which is interesting. I don't really care for timers in games, but I can understand that some people probably have challenge levels that are like, fix this in a certain amount of time. All right. Every employee citizen agrees that the assignment ceremony has changed their lives. Okay. After all, you're doing pretty well for a forgotten one. I've got a vacancy in my engineering department. I like the notes. I wonder who's leaving these notes. Hey, Faison. Who's leaving these notes for us, I wonder? Okay, I'm very curious as to why I can... Okay, anyway. Hey, Dre, good morning. All right. As this is your first assignment, you start at the bottom of the ladder, but if you're efficient, I'll give you more interesting assignments. Here's your recognition card. It will give you access to Albatross. Now Albatross has 2 S's. It had 3 S's before. It manages your authorization level using a point system. The higher your score, the more access you'll have to the various Albatross tech sites. It uses it uses my picture for my Steam ID. Wait, what is that QR code though? Congratulations on finding this Easter egg. You can win some digital goodies and a genius roll on the Discord. Okay, so if you go to the Discord and send this code, you get some goodies. That's cute. All right, card taken. Location unlocked, workshop. Hey, this is Linkito. Let me get the... There we go. Introducing Albatown. Prove yourself and you'll earn points that will increase your value to the company because we are a great asset to the company. Asset to the company. This will give you access to other missions spread across our different infrastructures. Okay, so we've done the tutorial. This is the demo. Okay, this is some levels to test the game. Okay, so we can't get... Okay, so we'll just do the... Where does back take us? Oh, okay, gotcha. Okay, so right now it looks like there will be more locations in the final game, but right now they've given us demos. So let's do some demo levels. This is the little electronics workshop where our empire began. We've kept it because it was here that William Kane created his first prototype. You'll be working here to start with, repairing various devices used by our citizen employees. Okay. Oh, there's bonus levels too. Is there other stuff to play with around here? Oh, what did I do? Oh, I left. Heh. Alright, shut up. Okay. Let's go to 1 of 1. This looks like it's going to be a clothes dryer. Okay, what happens if I connect you to you first? Connect, disconnect. Okay, so yellow to blue, always. Red wires, you can't touch or cut. So I've taken the yellow to blue to power this button. Then I get the circuit going to power this button. And since now this is open, I can do this. And now that this is open... Oh, okay, I can't... Oh, okay. Can't open that. Dalkin, welcome on in. Hello. Oh. Can I do this? Okay. Yep, it's laundry. The assignment ceremony is an interview with Mr. William Kane himself. It enables individuals to live in harmony thanks to Mr. Kane's inscrutable coaching methods. Okay. Optimal working conditions. That's what we offer at Albatown, and we provide the necessary equipment. Okay, so we have another button. We have another thing to open this. So let's power... Okay, this generator keeps giving us power, so we don't need to worry about a power source. What happens if I just open this? Nothing, because I can't activate it. Oh, no, my bad. Okay, but I'm going to need to... Oh, I think I... Okay, gotcha. I need to do this first. Turn this on. Then do this. And then... Okay, this is on. And then connect it to here. Unless I don't need the box to be open. Maybe I just need the box to be open to know what it's doing. So what if I disconnect this, but connect this here? There it is. 7! Hello! Good morning! So that's interesting. You can open that box to see what you need to connect inside, but then you can close the box because once the connections are straight, you don't need it. Alright. Employee citizens are at the heart of this company's concerns. Oh, we do get hints. That's nice. Okay, so this one's weird. All right, let's see what's in this box first. A switch. Okay. Hey, Mandy, good morning. Okay. So I can now disconnect this because this will stay open. I can connect this, which has this powered. So do I do this? Okay. Which is that. Can wires cross? Can I cross wires? Can I crisscross? I can. Oh, okay. I can do that. Interesting. It does throw switches at you like red herrings. Some of them, it's like I did need... Now it's interesting because I didn't need that one that I thought I did. It was just there. Huh. So maybe it is like communism. Oh, Susan. Hello, Susan. Here's an important concept you're going to need here. It's the delay function. What's a delay? Okay, so are we going to need to pulse stuff? Hey, Neoguts, welcome on in. Okay, so if I hold this down... Okay, so if I hold it down, the delay is that happens. This is just on. Okay, so let's do... this. Okay, so if I hold this down... Interesting. Oh, it is definitely raining here. Okay. Huh. So, okay, so now I'll be able to... I guess that's interesting because the delay function would still allow power to flow even if I turned off the connection into it. So, okay, so I get roughly 4 seconds of power. All right, this is just on. Let's turn you this. Oh, I have to hold. Oh, I have to hold you down. Interesting. Okay, but if I put you here, you just. All right. Can I charge you up? No. Okay, so that means I need to... Okay, I was not as fast as I needed to be, but I did get the generator making its own power. So yeah, I had to run power to the delay, charge it up for 4 seconds, get 4 seconds out of it. In that 4 seconds, disconnect and reconnect, and then I was able to get charge over to the generator. So now I've got this going. So let's disconnect those. Now what's interesting is, what if I do this? No, okay, that's not what I want to do. Okay, so that's going to be doing that. Okay, but now what if I do this to this? Oh, I see. Okay. Give it. Okay. And then give this to this. Kalinarm or Kali, welcome on in, Kalin. All right, so this, I can already tell this is where my brain's about to tap out. So we need to supply power to this one here and get it to flip its switch down to go over. Okay, I may still, let's see here. So this is a constant source of power. If I connect this here, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. If I connect this here, oh, I can't? Oh, right. I need this open. Oh, okay. My bad. My bad. Okay, let's do this. Okay. So now that that's connected, what I need is I need something to go to here. Okay, got it. Okay. It's an interesting matter of, I love you created connections, destroyed connections, and had a lot of interaction. I'm sure there will be some levels where you need to have like less interaction than more, etc. But yeah, that's interesting. So to look at that one again, we had to use this delay to power this. And this was the weird, like, are you? Well, welcome on in. I am not good at logic and puzzles and things like this, but I love any games that use aspects of circuitry and programming. So I always try them, even though I'm not great at them. So yeah, this one was interesting. And if anybody is interested in this, go ahead and yoink the demo for yourself. Perhaps you will be better at it than I am because woof. But yeah, so I needed to, I still love that it's a soldering iron. I needed to use this to give me a little bit of power. So I'm going to do this again, and I'm also going to screw it up again because I can never remember how I do a puzzle twice. But yeah, you hold this down for your delay, which then you get your power from here. So we're going to go here first. Okay. To do 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Woo! Okay, that was close. Because I am not fast with, I'm also very not fast with mice. So, okay, so now we have our generator generating. And if you remember, we need to get this one open. So the way to get that open is first to power this one, pop that lid. So we can just do that. That's easy. However, the better way would be to do this. Okay, because we don't need to worry about the top switch anymore. Now we just worry about the bottom switch. And because the generator is constantly supplying power, we just got to hold it open and get that connection going. We've got the power! Okay, so I really wanted to look at that one again because it was interesting. Like, there weren't any like, oh, ignore this switch, but okay, that was the whoo. All right. To create, you'll use blocks and connections. Okay, I can see our mission up there is to keep the 2 LEDs lit. We're not giving you a lot of blocks yet, but that'll come gradually. Oh, okay, I get it. You got to earn my trust. It's fine. You've got your cupboard on the left. Go and have a look and try to make it work with the block. Try to make it all work with the blocks we gave you. Albatross. Ooh, that'll be interesting. Okay, so okay, so mouse using the scroll wheel to change the, I mean, you may not, I mean, since it's really only a matter of preference because you don't need them to be a certain way. Okay, and then we have this, okay, so we have 2 blocks. And I like that, oh, we have actually 3. I like that when you mouse over them, you can see. So this is a multi-purpose socket, allows for duplication of the input because we're going yellow to blue. So we'll be able to have 2 yellow going out. So we might not. It can't be that simple. And then this one is an input selector. Choose 1 signal from 2 inputs. So, okay, but it can't be that simple. Okay. No, don't do, stop it. Oh, I see the problem here. So I can do this real simple. Okay, except, and then, yeah, see, slight problem. Okay, I see you, game. I see you. I'm gonna put you back in the... I'm not... Shush. Nobody puts baby in the corner. Alright. Oh, right. You can only have 1. Okay, so what we're needing to do is we're needing to use the fact that this continues to fluctuate between 2 currents. Okay, so, all right. Nope. All right. All right. All right. Yes, it's almost time to take a break. So if I can figure this out, then that will have earned myself a break. All right. So let's see what we can do with you, buddy. Choose 1 signal from 2 inputs. So okay, that's just going to be the standard blinky blink. But what if... Okay, but I think maybe? All right, hold on. What if... There we go. Not quite, though. Not quite. Okay, now this yellow one is always on. No, stop it. I want to move you. Let me move you. And these two are always on. There it is. There it is. Took me a minute, but we got there. Hey! Oh my goodness. Okay. My probationary period is over. Oh goodness. Okay, that was cute. That was fun, but it took me a minute to, again, logic, I think you've all seen me, but especially when I play Cocoon, you've seen me play logic games and I just keep talking, which is also funny because a lot of the games out there, especially the one that's like, you know, keep talking and nobody explodes. But yeah, hop over there and check it out. It's currently in a feature. It was featured in the Future Games Show Spring Showcase that we co-streamed a few days ago, but it's also on Steam's PAX East page. So if you go to the PAX East page, there will be demos, there will be games that are in the expo hall right now, and other games that are just kind of on release. A lot are releasing this weekend, which is great. When we were watching the showcase, they were like, it releases tomorrow and comes out like this weekend. So yay. I am going to go to the menu because we've been playing this for about 45 minutes. Oh, okay. We've been doing pretty well at it. So let's take a peek at this next puzzle. We are not going to play this, but let's take a peek to give you a little bit more of a hint of what's coming up, because I do need to take a break. And this is something new. Oh, crap. Okay, maybe we'll just take a quick look at this and then I'll take a break. All right, we got a power button. No, hold on. Okay, what happens if I push the button? Friend! We make friends? Oh. Oh, I get it. Okay, one sends the instruction to the machine to create the friend. The other sends the instruction to the friend to go forward. Oh. Oh. That block is poison. Okay, so... Oh, alright. Okay, so now... back. Yeah, because we got to go forward, but then back. I wonder if this button switches. Like, okay, so hold on. Let's create our friend. What happens with... Oops, sorry, I didn't want to do that. I made the connection, I didn't want to make it. Okay. So just to highlight this one, after we powered the friend maker, we didn't need it to do anything else. Then I put constant power on move. So the flip switch was on move, so it doesn't matter, just move. Then I put the button toggle on change directions. So once I got it down there, I clicked the button to toggle it and it spun and turned the other way. And that's what happened. Okay, but now to make it move, I'm going to need to connect it to the go button. Okay. This is cute. Oh, metronome. Oh, that's another interesting... Okay. I saw that in one of the early levels, and I wondered what it did. But no, it is definitely... Let's consider this your sneaky peeky of what's going on here, so you can hop on into the demo, make your own friends, and do that. But we're going to hop back to the main menu. I will remake my friends. I love it, because then now we're getting into those like old school like Lemmings kind of games, which is like make your friends and then don't let them die, because that's, you know. But yeah, so Linkito is, the demo's out now. You can wishlist it. You can check it out yourself. I'll pop it there. I know I had the description again. There we go. There's a description where I did not make commands for a lot of things because I didn't know what we were playing today, but I'm glad we started with this one, and I'm glad that you were able to come and hang out. And I got a GG from somebody who made the game, so I'll take that. That's my win for Saturday. But hey, ClickFlint, thank you for the resubs. I am going to quit out of this. Yes.